Hey, this is Eric from AHA. Today I get to show you how to create system architecture diagrams in AHA Whiteboards. Check it out. Okay, here we are in a whiteboard, and here's a diagram we made earlier, right? This is for Fred when cycling, kind of our demo fitness app that we use for these sort of things. And I've got some AWS components in there, lines and connectors showing how they're connected to the rest of my app's architecture. If you go to build one of these for yourself, you're going to open the icon menu, skip right past the basics, and get into these libraries of architectural icons we've got. There's one for Amazon Web Services, there's Azure, and there's Google Cloud there. I can click into any of these and see those subcategories. For there's computing and database, that sort of thing, or I can start searching, right? And there's everything to do with finance that I might want to add. Now, if you're creating one of these from scratch, like me, you're probably adding a lot of different diagrams to the same, or different icons to the same diagram, excuse me. So I like to pin this menu right here, and then once it's open, I can just start adding things. If I add the wrong thing to the right place, I don't have to delete it and start over. I can just replace it right there with something that makes a little more sense. I'm fully aware that these two don't make any sense, but that's great because now that I've got a draft of my diagram, I can send it out for review. Everything collaborative about a whiteboard is really coming into play here. I've got comments on an earlier draft from our very own Alex Bartlow. I can invite guests to come review these things. I can assign to-dos, whatever you need to do to get the perfect diagram that will align product operations and engineering teams around product innovation. Enjoy.